Looks so natural and so realistic. What's up, guys? So today I am trying Wiggins Hair's version of the V-part wig in Kinky Straight. It does have all the combs and everything in it as usual. So first I tried it without taking the piece of lace off in the front because it's made to kind of see if you can use that to better do no leave out. So I did try it that way. But I'll be quite honest, I'm still, for me, team no leave out. But I felt like they gave a nice little illusion there. It just still wasn't quite working for me. So I'm going to do it the normal way that I usually do it to make it look the best. And I do love V-part wigs just for the simple fact that you can do very minimal leave out. As someone with thick hair, that is the part that I struggle with U-part wigs, is because you have to leave so much hair out to get them to work. Whereas with V-parts, I only had to leave a little slither of hair out in order for this to work. And it fit on the parting that I made just right. Now, I will say, to me, the combs are not the sturdiest. It's not the worst thing ever, and they're actually very comfortable. I noticed that off the bat. I really like that about them because some combs be hurting. But compared to other ones that I've tried, they're not the sturdiest. And we'll get into more of that as the video goes on. But right now, I straightened my roots of the leave out, and then I'm also trying to flatten down and straighten the hair of this wig because, as you can see, this unit is very thick. I like the thickness. I think it's very true to hair being kinky straight and blown out. But if you were to want to thin this down, if you pick this up, you could always, get some thinning shears and thin it out. It's easier to thin something out than it is to build it back up with more hair. And it's cheaper. This hair is amazingly soft. I have it on my head right now as I'm doing this voiceover, and I absolutely love how soft it is. It's so comfortable. I feel like the key to any great install involving leave out is your wax stick. That is going to get that hair laying down and mold it in and blend it in with the hair that you're either clipping in, weaving in, whatever you're doing. Also, just to note, my heat tools, I have them on low because you see the texture of this hair. It doesn't involve me using very high heats because my hair will blend even still having a little bit of texture in it. I decided to get a little spicy with this Kinky Straight install and add some curls with my flat iron. If you're interested in this flat iron, it is in my Amazon store. You can pick it up there. Love this thing for curling so much. It makes it so easy because of the way that it's shaped. But I definitely wanted to do something a little bit different. But I will say, when you do curls with this, definitely add some flexi rods or let it sit for a very long time before you start messing with the curls, or they will easily fall. They don't just fall automatically, like you can see from me doing my hair. They do hold, but once you start messing with them, it's over. So definitely put some flexi rods in. I know that will help. Or just let it sit for a few hours. I didn't let it sit for a few hours. I only let it sit for like 10 minutes at max, and that was not quite enough if I wanted to maintain a super curled look. But I wasn't like super set on that. I like this brushed out, relaxed curl, a little bit of body wave in it. I like that look, and I just fixed the curls that weren't doing exactly that to just kind of go with the look that I ended up having. But it was a look that I really liked. Now, y'all know me, if you watch my videos, Sheba Scissor Hands is going to add some layers. And I definitely added some layers in this to give me some body. I did add some layers actually in some footage that I didn't realize my camera stopped editing, but you can see me doing it now. I did the same thing beforehand, and I just wanted some movement. And y'all, I am just in love with how this hair turned out. It looks so natural and so realistic and so real. The only issue that I have was with the combs. I felt like they were not quite sturdy enough compared to other ones that I used. And one of my combs actually ended up kind of unraveling and I had to re-sew it. But the hair, to me, the quality, everything is there. It's worth fixing. Like, this is amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If you don't put up a fight, you don't